So here's everything that you need to know about Tesla stock before it actually reports earnings. So Tesla stock is down about 40% year to date. Currently, Tesla is trading at a price point of 145, almost 146 before it reports earnings today after the market closes. I wanted to ask you, I definitely do not have to, but if this video gets over 1,000 likes, I will host a free live session capturing Tesla reporting earnings and we can watch it together. So if you want me to do that, all you need to do is get this video to over 1,000 likes and subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure you turn on your post notifications, because if not, YouTube will literally not notify you. With that being said, I wanted to talk about the market's expectation. So the forecast for earnings per share is 49 cents. The revenue is 22.27 billion. Okay, well, what exactly does this mean? Well, if you look at where we were a year ago versus now, these expectations are lower. So they actually expect Tesla to come with a lower performance than what it was year over year. Not the best sign for Tesla, but again, it's something that they forecast where yes, markets have been slowing down. And even Tesla a few weeks ago announced that they were slimming down their workforce and they were going to be firing 10% and working towards 20% of their employees. The other thing that I also want to make sure that you are aware of is I'm always very curious on what the focus is for this earnings report. You might be asking, well, Ricky, what exactly do you mean? The focus is to beat expectation, right? No, there are many times that a stock can report better than expected earnings. So it could be earnings per share. It could be revenue. But even then, the stock can still sell off. Why? Well, it's its guidance. If its guidance does not meet Wall Street's expectation, the stock can actually end up selling off. And in my opinion, guidance is often more important than the actual report itself. And one of the things that everyone continues to talk about, I've read multiple different articles, you feel free to share your own thoughts, two main things. The first one is without any new vehicle, again, they're trying to come out with the Tesla Model 2, right? Their cheapest alternative. Tesla would face, or we feel that Tesla could face more headwind to growth. So therefore, again, there's a lot of competition that's coming about. And if Tesla does not announce any improvements or any dates for this potential Model 2 being launched, then, hey, does this mean that there's more selling pressure potentially for Tesla? Possibly. And that's exactly what every article continues to say. On top of that, one of the things that I want to point out is Tesla's previous performance after reporting earnings. So this information is very useful to me, not because patterns need to repeat themselves, but because they can. And this I thought was super cool. It tells you every previous time that it reported earnings in the past and one day after how Tesla has performed in the past 4 quarterly earnings. How cool is that? And you could see that the last time that we reported in January, a 12% drop. The October 2023, 9.3% drop. This is one day after. July 19th, 9.74% drop. And then the last one is going to be April 19th, and that is a 9.75% drop. So I'm not gonna pretend that I can predict the future. I don't know what Tesla's gonna do. Tesla has been aggressively selling off. Tesla's sentiment is very, very bearish, right? With all this competition, with its layoffs, with its slowdown in demand, with its own forecast of 2024, it has not looked good. But maybe Elon Musk has a curveball in store for us that can send the stock skyrocketing. But ultimately, again, not looking for that grand slam, realistically, just looking at its price point and its overall selling pressure, Tesla has been struggling. It's down 40% year to date. I mean, it's one of the worst performing stocks of I think it is the worst performing stock of the top 10 for the S&P 500. It has not been doing well. And again, right now it's in the green. It just wouldn't surprise me if it ends up selling off. I'm not here to predict. I'm just here to prepare. And if it does end up selling off, I'll short it. If it does end up recovering, I would really love to entertain the idea of buying and going long on Tesla because I do think that it's really cheap. But the reason I'm not sold on buying it before it reports earnings is I know that the cheap can always get cheaper. And looking at its history where on average it sells off at least 9% one day after, why am I going to pay a 10% markup when I can just get it one day after, possibly for a 9% discount? That's what I wanted to share with you. And again, regardless if you tune on into my live session or not, I wanted you to understand what has happened in the past before. I wanted you to understand market's expectation, and I wanted you to understand when it reports earnings. So it reports earnings today after the market closes. I plan to live stream it. As long as this video gets over 1,000 likes, I'll make sure that I do that. And again, I'm going to be using my risk to reward ratio calculator. We'll be breaking it all down, and maybe you'll even be able to capture one of my trades live. I'd love to see you there. Subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you in just a few hours. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to comment down below, or if you want to keep it private, shoot me a DM via Discord or via Instagram, which is all linked in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.